You're an aspiring pianist and you want to make this a great year of piano. Here are 10 quick piano skills I want you to focus on this year that will really elevate your playing to the next level. The skills 1 to 10 will go from easy to hard, and I also suggest resources to help you to achieve these skills. Let me know in the comments which out of the 10 you're working on right now. Number 1, scales and arpeggios. Scales are fundamental for developing finger strength and agility. They also teach you lots of music theory by getting you used to key signatures. If you're not sure where to start, I suggest you to get this Alfred's scale book. It lays out all the scales so you can easily learn them one by one. Skill number 2, hand coordination and independence. At its core, piano playing is very fun because it's all about coordinating and playing different parts with 2 hands. The better you can do it, the more professional you sound. Let's compare this one to this one. One was doing very similar movements and one was doing completely different movements. Focus on building hand coordination and hand independence. I've actually come up with a course myself called the Hand Coordination Bootcamp that helps beginners to learn how to coordinate their fumbly hands. We're currently running a New Year sale. Make sure you check this out before this month ends. The course is filled with progressive exercises that will help you to build on your piano skills so that you can coordinate your hands and play the songs you love. Skill number 3, finger independence. Aside from hand independence, you also want finger independence, and that means you want your hand to be able to play notes and have control within each finger without affecting other fingers. I recommend the Hannon book. Lots of great exercises to build finger independence. Number 4, rhythm control. Lots of students come to me and they can play beautiful notes, but they currently lack this skill of playing in beat. Easiest way to mitigate this is to use a metronome. Skill number 5, pedaling. This is piano playing without pedal. This is piano playing with pedal. Great thing about learning to use the pedal is you just need to learn this technique once and you apply this exact technique to any other piece with pedal. The skill of the exact timing of stepping down on the pedal and raising it and stepping down again for the new measure, there is no variation to this skill for any piece. You just use this one skill for all pieces with pedal. So learn how to use this sustained pedal and your music is going to sound amazing after that. Skill number 6, sight reading. I used to detest this when I was a bit younger, but as I grew in my piano journey, I realized how important it was to learn how to digest and read music. It really increased my ability to learn pieces faster. Music is a language. How do you get better at languages? By reading and engaging with it every day. So read a bit of new music every single day. Skill number 7, octaves. Practice your octaves. You can do them in scale form. You can also do them in arpeggio form. Practicing octaves builds strength and precision in your hands. It appears a lot in music too, so make sure you practice octaves. Skill number 8, dynamics and articulation. Dynamics is about the loudness or the softness of notes. Articulation is all about how it's played, whether it's legato, lush and long, or staccato, short and detached. When you're able to play very loud and very soft, and also have great articulation, which is play short and also long legato passages, your music will have a different dimension to it. Soft. focus on creating great dynamic range, very, very soft, and very loud playing, and also different articulations, short and also long legato passages. Skill number 9 is memorization. Develop the skill to memorize your pieces as you do your repetitive practice. It will aid in your performance of the piece in front of people, and it will also deepen your understanding of the structure of the piece. We come to the end here. Skill number 10 is voicing. And voicing, most of the time in piano playing, is all about playing the right hand louder than the left hand, assuming that the right hand is playing the melody and left hand is playing the accompaniment. So tell me which one's better. Or in the second excerpt, the right hand was a lot more pronounced, it stood out a lot more, and as a listener, it's a much nicer listening experience to have that hierarchy. Right hand louder than the left hand. Easier said than done. Not easy to practice this one, so make sure you really take time to learn how to adjust the volumes. Learn how to control right and left hand and push right hand up a little bit more. Which of these 10 piano skills are you currently working on? Let me know in the comments. Let me know also which of these 10 you want more in-depth tutorials on. Catch you in the next piano tutorial.